why this is happening, that you know that you are a loser and you are really a lazy guy who have lots of ambitions and he really want to do something in his life, but he's not doing at all. He's doing nothing at all. Then what is the problem with that? You know that you are a lazy and you need to take action every single day. You might be feel or not. Doesn't matter. Just you have to keep working. Then why the hell you didn't understand this simple truth that I can't get rich by quick schemes. I have to give time like years, 10 years, 20 years. That's a bare minimum you have to give. So you put in your mind that yes, I'm lazy. Why? Listen this carefully. I will clear your thought why you are a lazy guy. Listen. Have you ever feel lazy? Ever feel laziness or lethargic about watching porn, doing masturbate? Take an example. This is an example. Like you say, bro, let's do masturbate. Nobody's at home. Let's do masturbate, watch porn. So at that point of time, would you like to say that, bro, I will not do that. I'm feeling lethargic, lazy, I will procrastinate. No, what the hell you will procrastinate? And that is the simple truth. You have to understand that at that point of time, you will not procrastinate. And just see how crazy it is that at that point of time, you are not feeling any type of, bro, I'm feeling lazy, bro, I'm feeling lethargic and this and that. I'm procrastinating, bro. How I will do that? It is so difficult. Then you give lots of excuses to not doing that work. But I wonder why you don't give any excuses while you are going to do masturbate or watching porn. Why? I know this things nobody will tell you, bro, masturbation, this thing. I'm just asking. Why? Why this is happening? Why? You are doing masturbate, watching porn, but at that point of time, you are not saying anything. Lethargy, laziness, procrastination. But when you comes to work, which is really essential for your life and important for your life to a well-being life, then you give lots of excuses. What the fuck is this? So same here. So I would say when you're going to watch porn, there is a excitement, lust, and you are really indulged on that, and you have a pointed focus. Your goal is clear that I'm going to do masturbate and get pleasure. You want to get pleasure. So, you know that everything that it is important for me and that. And you also heard from gurus that saying masturbation is really so bad. Even though they are saying these things, and you also, bro, yes bro, they are saying right bro. But in the end, you ejaculate. You don't do masturbate. You don't listen that guru because your lust is more powerful than the guru. Even guru can't defeat lust except Buddha. Nobody can defeat. I'm not saying do masturbate, watch porn. Don't saying anything. Don't do that. I don't care about those things. I'm just asking why at that point of time you get focused. You don't say, bro, if I will distracted. You will never distract because that is the distraction. So I would say try to enjoy your work as well. Enjoy your work. And I know you might be say, bro, if that thing is amazing, then why the hell I need to feel lazy or give an excuse? If the work is enjoyable, pleasurable, then why the hell I will give any sort of excuse? Yes, you are saying right. So let me think why. I think you don't want to do your work and you are not trying to make your work interesting, fantastic, amazing. You are not doing anything. You are not giving any work to make your work enjoyable. You are not doing anything at all. And that's why this is the bad thing you can do. So I would say try to make your work interesting. Take an example. I'm not giving this example, but while you are not taking action, so you are not clear what you really want to from your life. What do you really want from your life? What? Tell me. So then you understand, bro, what I need from my life. And you couldn't find. If your parents already put a tag that you will become engineer, doctor, this and that. So then you would say, bro, I want to become this and that. But you also know that you don't have your own dreams, goals, ambition. All things are putted by society. And you don't want to do, because that thing is not decided by you. These things are decided by the society. What society thinks about these things. They would say, become an engineer, become a doctor, become a this, become a that, this and that. So first of all, try to meditate on this thing that what I really need from my life, what I actually desire from this life, what I really want from this life. And I know it will take time to figure out, but you have to give time, my friend, because it is about your life. So you understand these things. Now you are not clear. Now you will clear in 1 month or 2 months. Just sit, relax, and just go for it in your mind. What I really need from, just try to go in your past and try to understand what I really like to enjoy when I was child. Got it? And now you would say, bro, you didn't answer me that how I can make my work interesting. So first of all, I can't give you any sort of to make a thing interesting because I don't know what you are interested in. I don't know your interest. If I know your interest, then I would say, bro, you can do this. Yes, I can say that. But I don't know about your interest, what you really like to enjoy in your life. So I can't tell. So just, this is your life. Try to make by your own. Don't depend on anybody. This is the golden rule you have to understand in your mind that I don't need to depend on anybody. Anybody means anybody, nobody. You don't need to depend on anybody. Parents, teachers, only depend on yourself. Got it? Nobody will come and they will help you. Put in this mind, nobody will come, nobody will. Even me, I can't help you. See, I couldn't tell your interest. I don't know your interest. It's upon you how you make a thing interesting. You feel lazy, lethargic, you know why? Lack of responsibility on yourself. You think, bro, I have lots of things, clothes. I have clothes, shelter, food, then why the hell I need to work? Yes, you're saying right. You don't need to do anything at all. You have everything. Then why the hell you do anything at all? So, it is not something this is bad or right. I'm not saying anything at all. That if you have your parent earn a lot and you have lots of money, then you don't need to do anything at all. But for your sake, if you really want to go gym, temple, library, so you can go. You have already everything. So I don't think you will watch these videos because you have everything already. And And if you are a middle class guy, then understand the responsibility of your family. Build something and get rid of these things, middle class and this, that. Become a person who changed his whole generation. Become that one person. I hope you got my points. I know I don't give you any type short of answer and this and that. You have to find your thing by your own. I'm not giving you anything.